Consider service robots used in hospitals, hotels and restaurants, construction sites, office buildings, or even households. These robots have replaced humans not just in mundane tasks, but in activities that require intelligent decision-making. You would have also seen self-checkout systems that enable customers to complete shopping without the assistance of the retail staff. All these embedded vision systems need to identify and recognize objects. This in turn requires a camera with a reliable connection, the ability to transmit data and power over long distances, and compatibility with a wide variety of edge processing platforms. To address these specific requirements, Econ Systems has come up with a series of FPD-LINK III cameras called NeduCAM, and we're excited to launch the first camera module in this series, NeduCAM25. NeduCAM25 is a full HD FPD-LINK III camera module based on onsemi AR0234 sensor. The global shutter feature of this camera helps to capture fast-moving objects without any rolling shutter artifacts. In addition, its ability to take HD images at 120 FPS minimizes frame-to-frame distortion and reduces motion blur. It uses the FPD-LINK III interface and a shielded coaxial cable for reliable transmission of both power and data up to a distance of 15 meters with low latency. This camera module can be connected to a wide range of processing platforms, including Texas Instruments SK-TDA4VM, NVIDIA Jetson ORIN, and AGX Xavier kits. Also, the IP67 rated enclosure of this camera makes it suitable for use in harsh industrial conditions by protecting it from water, dust, temperature variations, and shocks and vibrations. All these make this camera suitable for applications such as autonomous mobile robots, agriculture robots and vehicles, autonomous vehicles, intelligent video analytics, and self-checkout systems. Sounds interesting? Visit the NeduCAM25 product page by clicking the link in the description to learn more about it.